down and walk down.
Waghoba temples. Waghoba, they call it Waghoba. In Marathi, leopard, the word for leopard is Waghoba. Even the word for tiger is Waghoba, but they distinct it by saying Khityacha Wagh, which is spotted Wagh, and Khityacha Wagh.
Go, 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 go.
मनी प्लांट है क्या किसी के? कभी मनी प्लांट देखा? देन अलग अलग क्लाइंबर स्पीशीज, आपके बहुत सारे वेजिटेबल हैं हमारे फ्रूटी वेजिटेबल, वो क्लाइंबर्स पे आते हैं. आपका ये पता है कलिंगड, वाटरमेलन क्लाइंबर पे आता है. करेला अच्छा लगता है क्या? टेक्सचर देखोगे ना पूरी तरह से वुडन टेक्सचर, आगे फील करेगा. तो इसको अगर आप टच करोगे ना तो पूरा बूढ़ी का टेक्सचर देखने को मिलेगा. अभी इसकी खासियत क्या पता है? So there is one interesting plant जो नदी के आसपास मिल जाता है, एंड यहाँ पे हमें बहुत सारी डॉक्यूमेंट देखने को मिल जाता है. अगर इसका फ्रूटिंग देखेंगे ना, हम लोग के सिर के ऊपर ही है ये प्लांट. फ्रूटिंग देखोगे ना किससे जैसा है फ्रूटिंग.
Go. Slowly.
Tigers and leopards that will eat the deer and smaller animals. Okay, then you have the deer that will feed on the plants, right? So all of these, especially a fragrant thing, that's the fruit. Come, let's go ahead, guys. Crabs that are freshwater. Yeah. Black and white. By the way, you see the hairs on the caterpillar?
Yes.
Okay, if these caterpillars by mistake you touch them, you will get a lot of itchiness. So if you see something like this, always stay away. Okay? Don't touch it. What happens if you will touch it? The hair gets lodged into your skin. So what to do then? you have to remove the hairs from your hair. Okay? It's very difficult, it's very painful. So easier option is to stay away.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
From the ground. Right, like a mammoth. So they have teeth. It will jump. So it will not jump on you, it will jump away from you.
Why do you shake it?
So that it remains stable.
Trying to.
Burrows into the ground.
Pay attention. Shoes. Take care, take care. Hey, hold it with your hand. Carry it with your hand, please. Carry it with your hand. Take. Chal. Hold it with your hand, yeah, and go. Come behind, Pari. Pari, come behind. Ah, okay, go. What? Then you enjoyed, no? We'll have to change it. You got socks, no? You all I'll be following. Yes, slowly, 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 don't run. Then fall. Yes.
Spiders have the. I will change this in a way.
Keep your shoes safe. Don't throw the socks like that. May keep it inside the shoe and keep it up.
Sir, can you take one photo of
Yeah, I'm
our
taking.
playground?
I'll take a video first. Okay, say hi. Hello, bye. Okay, so Bhargav, how was your experience? with the nature trail today?
My experience was very nice. We got to know about various insects and plants. We were misunderstanding about various insects that a bug has only one type, but we know about various bugs, and the experience was very nice. We gone to river. That was very nice to see, and thank you.
Yes. And you got fully wet in the river.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Next. Vansh.
It was very nice. It was also adventurous,
Okay.
and we got to know about insects.
Very good. Very good. Yes, Arun.
It was a very fun experience. The two of the guides were very caring and understanding. They were explaining very much in detail to us, how many types of plants there are and what are they, and even about animals and insects they were telling us about.
Yeah, Baba.
And they told about the plants that are useful to us in various ways. Like there was one plant which has continuously water. If we will not having the water, we can drink from that.
Very nice. Yes, Arnav.
Sir, the experience was very good. We came to know more about the plants and different types of plants and animals, and we also came across many insects. But we learned that insects do not harm us, but they also are sometimes beautiful.
Okay. Sorry about you.
The experience was very nice.
Louder, Shaurya.
The experience was very nice. We came to know about different types of bugs, insects,
bugs and insects.
insects, butterflies, and all.
Kavya, what about you?
The experience was very excellent. We got to discover more plants, animals, insects. Also, the river stream was very nice.
Very nice. Okay. What about you all? What you all like the most? How you all enjoyed?
So we loved that how like they told us about what kind of various types of animals, insects, and trees there were, which we didn't even know, and etc. We also saw different kinds of crabs and trees and butterflies and enjoyed a lot.
Okay. Did you enjoy the stream?
Yes.
Yes, Gaurav and Kaustubh.
It was night well organized and it was very adventurous. We play some in lake and it was nice.
Everything was nice. Okay.
My experience was very good and it was very organized and I enjoyed in nature stream.
Enjoyed. Okay. Yes. Both of you.
So many different insects which we haven't seen before, and many plants also.
Many plants also. What about you?
It was kind of beautiful and it was my first time experience.
Okay. Very nice. You enjoyed?
Yeah.
Yes. Very good. Then, Bhumik, how was your experience?
Nature trail is good. Sir is explaining us about different types of animals and insects.
Okay. All good? Enjoyed?
Yes.
Very good. Yes. Jivesh and Nirvi, how was your experience?
It was great. I learned about different things, plants and different species of few animals. It was great.
Great. Okay. Nirvi, what about you? Did you enjoy? What is it what you like the most?
The different species which you don't get in normal areas.
We don't see normally. Okay. What about both of you? Did you all enjoy the trail?
Yes, we did.
Okay. What do you all like the most?
I like the unique flowers that they had. I like
Okay.
the unique insects.
Which you saw? And what else? That's it?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Pariniti, what do you like the most today?
I like the waterfall there. We like.
Okay, you like the
We
waterfall,
had a
the stream and
fun.
everything. Okay. Yes, Sharanya and Anna, what do you like the most? Anna, you hurt yourself. How are you? Fine?
Falling down.
Fine. Okay.
What about
How you like the most? You liked falling down? Okay, very good. What else?
I love the forest. First time I went to forest and I love the trees. And when there was more trees and we get more fresh oxygen.
Oxygen. Okay, very good. What do you like the most, Anna?
The rainfall. At the end we went.
Into the stream. Okay, you like the stream. What about both of you? What do you like the most? Me?
I like the most about plants, many plants, and I get to learn about which types are plants, and I also like the insect.
Okay, you like. What about me? What do you like the most?
I like the most is the waterfall at the end.
And at the end. Okay.
At the end, and I like falling in there.
You like falling. Okay. Yes. What about you? How you like the nature trail today?
It was really nice. in the school they doesn't teach like how the sir have teached us. The sir have teaches very good. And at the end when we were having fun with the water. That's my favorite part. That's my favorite.
That also you like the most. Okay.
I like it.